What you are witnessing is 5 months of coding, research and frustration condensed into a short 10-minute video. I understand this video may be perceived in a negative light. I cannot blame you as I'm certainly contributing to the YouTube virus, that is Reddit text-to-speech videos. However, note that I'm not the only channel who produces automated content. I have found several other Reddit text-to-speech channels through my research that are most definitely using tools to automate their video production. The only difference is, none of these channels will reveal the fact that bots are running their channels. Apologies for the bad editing, and even worse screen recording quality. Also sorry for this voice, I didn't want to use my real one and I feel like this is fitting considering the context. I have created a series of programs that largely automates the process of producing a /AskReddit top comment video, which I would argue best mimic the real format found in Reddit posts. This process involves receiving a script from Reddit, editing said script through a Tinder, like keep/skip process, then sending it off to another program that turns the script into a video which is then automatically uploaded to YouTube to be released at a scheduled time. Using the YouTube Data API, I can upload 6 videos a day to YouTube. These 6 videos take approximately 30 minutes to edit using the program you are currently seeing. For simplicity's sake, I will call this program the manual review client. Currently I'm selecting a script to edit. These scripts are downloaded by the YouTube bot server every 1 hour, which scrapes hot posts off r/AskReddit to be stored in a MySQL database on a different computer. I'm looking for a script which I believe has clickbait potential. I'm looking at the title of the Reddit post and deciding whether it is clickbaity enough. Here we go. The title of the video I'm choosing to upload is called "What is unethical as fudge, but is an extremely common practice in the business world?" Now I'm showing off the video settings I can specify for each video. These video settings are packaged with the video script when sent off to the video generator. I like to keep these settings at a default as this best matches a real Reddit format. At the start of the project I diligently took notes of the formatting of each comments, including their color, spacing between each reply, maximum characters per line, etc. I then worked out font size to spacing ratios that would allow for me to adjust the font size for each individual frame without spacing looking uneven. The font size is automatically worked out for each comment thread based on the amount of text within them, so it all fits nicely within the frame. I aim to mimic the layout of real Reddit posts as much as possible to give the illusion that the frames were taken directly from Reddit. I like to think I did a good job. Now begins the fun bit. Clicking keep or skip on each comment till I'm satisfied with the estimated video time. Since the text-to-speech I'm using, Daniel MLG, reads out at approximately 175 words a minute, I can count all the words included in the script so far, and use this to work out an estimated video time. The downloaded script includes 30 top comments and 5 of the highest replies in each comment tree. Here I'm skim reading the comment, making sure there is no funny text in it that might sound weird with the text-to-speech, mainly URLs and emoji Unicode. The large image you see in the middle of the is actually an exact copy of the frame that you would see in the video. I implemented this feature so I would be able to tell if any specific text in a comment would mess up the frames. Usually it doesn't. The whole project consists of 3 programs. The first one, the one you are seeing now, the manual review client, allows for me to edit these scripts. As mentioned before, these scripts are scraped off r/AskReddit. That is partially the job of the second program, the YouTube bot server, which also handles communications between this program, the client, and the database. The third program is the actual video generator. Among with generating the video from the script you can see me editing now, this program will also upload the video to YouTube using the YouTube Data API. Now the video is 10 minutes long. I can finish the editing process and get started on adding the metadata information to the video, such as the title, description, thumbnail, and tags. 10 minutes is an important number for YouTube videos as the algorithm will push 10-minute videos higher in suggested feeds than ones shorter than 10. This is a pretty common characteristic of these Reddit text-to-speech videos, as we are all just trying to maximize our views and thus add revenue. First I'm editing the title of the video. I think carefully of a way I can spin the title of a Reddit post into a clickbaity title. By default the title of the video is the title of the Reddit post, but we can do better than that. The best Reddit text-to-speech videos involve titles about people sharing interesting stories, hence why I use Reddit shares at the start of most of my videos. Additionally, I add in a shocking tag to entice more people into clicking on my video. And yes, I know I spelled practices wrong. I change that later. Next, it's time to insert the tags. A while ago I tried to implement a tag generator using existing online tag generators. However, they all cost, so I decided to go with a Google tag generator. Its purpose is to give you ideas of what are the most popular related Google searches there are for each keyword. To be honest, I don't really use it, I'm just showing it off for the video. Anyway, among the some standard tags such as Reddit, Reddit Funny and Reddit Stories, I enter some specific tags in relation to the video's title. Now it's time to edit the thumbnail. A partially generated thumbnail is given to us by the bot, with the amount of comments and upvotes included in the thumbnail. I selected the wrong thumbnail. I should have used thumbnail 139 instead of thumbnail 10. But oh well, no one really checks these small details anyway. I used Paint.net to edit my thumbnails. I have been using it for years, so I have gotten pretty good at it. A Reddit text-to-speech thumbnail usually consists of a funny picture on the right side of the screen, usually either a female or a popular Simpsons character striking a pose. The text is usually to the left of the picture with certain words colored in red for emphasis. /AskReddit is included on top of the thumbnail and sometimes the comment/upvote amount. Once that is done, I select the correct thumbnail in the manual review client, and it will now be packaged with the script when sent to the generator. I have the choice to edit the description, but really I have no need to. Generally not many people read the description for these kinds of videos. Once that is done, I click Send to Video Generator, and now the rest of the process is carried out by the other two programs. These programs are being run on a VPS, a virtual private server, that I rented out for the project. Switching to the desktop view of the VPS, the first program you can see is the YouTube bot server. As you can see, it handles the responses from the client. It will receive the script just sent through by the client and update the database with it. This script is then sent to the third program of the three, the actual video generator. This is where all the magic happens. All the comments and replies in the script are turned into frames with their own text-to-speech files. All of these files are put together and then compiled into a video. A song is randomly selected out of 40 or so Kevin Hart tracks. While the video is rendering, I will show you the MySQL database that stores all the scripts. This database is connected to by the YouTube bot server, where scripts are updated and downloaded. It also houses important information about the status of each script, whether it be unedited, ready to render, or successfully uploaded along with the time it was uploaded. This information is important as it stops the bot from continuously rendering and uploading the same video. It also tells the server which scripts are unedited and can be sent to the client. Upload times are an important piece of information to hold on to, as the bots need to know when to stop uploading videos for the day. As mentioned previously, we can upload a maximum of 6 videos a day, because this is what the YouTube Data API allows in terms of daily credit usage. Every day we are allocated 10,000 credits. Each upload, including a thumbnail, roughly translates to 1658 credits, which means we can upload 6 videos a day. By keeping track of what time each upload takes place, we can count the amount of uploads in a day and make sure not to exceed it. Also seen as a users table, where user information is stored. Multiple users can edit videos at the same time. The passwords of these users are hashed using MD5. Quickly, I will demonstrate multiple users editing videos at the same time. I'll load up 2 instances of the manual review program, logging into 2 different accounts. When I start editing a video in one instance of the review program, the video becomes unavailable to edit in the other. Similarly, when I quit editing the video, it becomes available to edit once again. This means that video editing can be split up between multiple different users, allowing for more content. to be pushed out in a channel without the risk of uploading the same video multiple times. Anyway, skipping forward a bit of time, you can see that the video is now nearly finished rendering. The 10-minute video took approximately 14 minutes to render at 30 FPS. This speed is dependent on the CPU of your setup. Note, however, you will need approximately 3-4 GB of RAM to render a video. The VPS My Video Generator is running on as a 𝗃 Ubuntu distribution with 8 GB of RAM. It uploads quite quick on this VPS as it has a very good download/upload rate. The video file and its contents are deleted after it is uploaded to save hard drive space on the computer. As you can see that the title, description, tags, and thumbnail have all magically found their way into the video. The video will take a couple minutes to process. The video will be uploaded in 1080p, as only the best quality will do for these highly thought-provoking videos. What is unethical as fuck, but is extremely common practice in the business world? Firing a manager then dumping their responsibility in invoices until you've been chased multiple times as standard policy. Had a boss who did this, but hated it when people did it to them. Boss claimed they paid. Boss also hated it when one creditor replied to have a company wound up, liquidated, for. And there you have it. The complete process of producing a Reddit text-to-speech video and uploading it to YouTube. As mentioned before, I can edit 6 videos in 30 minutes, with the rest of the process being handled by bots. If you would like to obtain this bot, the GitHub is located in the description. However, the code must change to suit your system. If you would like me to set up the bot for you, please contact me at royalredditofficial@gmail.com or PM me on YouTube. Feel free to ask any questions about how it works, and don't forget to dislike the video for my contribution to making YouTube an even worse place. Thanks for watching. No regrets.